चंद्रबसवेश्वर फार्मसी कॉलेजमध्ये फार्मास्युटिक्स विभागाचे एचओडी डॉक्टर शिवराज नागोबा, तसेच महाराष्ट्र कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मसी निलंगा येथील प्राचार्य डॉक्टर सिद्धेश्वर पाटील, डॉक्टर माधव शेटकार, डॉक्टर चंद्रवर्धन पांचाळ आणि शिवलिंगेश्वर कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मसी आलमला येथील डॉक्टर अजय फुकटे यांनी लिहिलेल्या एसेन्शियल ऑफ बायोफार्मास्युटिक्स अँड फार्माकोकायनेटिक्स या पुस्तकाचं अनावरण साहेबांच्या हस्ते व्हावं अशी आम्हा सर्वांची इच्छा आहे। साहेबांना विनंती की आपण एसेन्शियल ऑफ बायोफार्मास्युटिक्स अँड फार्माकोकायनेटिक्स या पुस्तकाचं अनावरण या ठिकाणी करावं।
Professor Dr. S.N. Nagoba sir has completed their M.Pharm and PhD. He is working as a professor and head of department of pharmaceutics in Channabasweshwar Pharmacy College, Latur. He has 18 years of teaching and 3 years of industrial experience. He is a board of study chairman of pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical chemistry in Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. He has published a total 4 books and 130 research and review papers in various national and international journals. He also got the 5 patents of the grants. He has guided 58 M.Pharm students and 8 PhD scholars. He is a life member of IPA as well as the APTA. Professor Dr. Siddheshwar S. Patil sir, he also completed M.Pharm and PhD. He is working as a principal and professor at Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga. Sir has having a 30 years of teaching experience. He is also board of study chairman of pharmacology, pharmacognosy and quality assurance in Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. He has worked as a senate member at Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. He has published 5 books, 65 research as well as the review papers in a various national as well as the international journal. Sir also got the 6 granted patents. He has guided 50 M.Pharm students and 15 PhD research scholars. He has received AICT grant of 8 lakh rupees under the MODROPS. He is a life member of APTA and the IPA.
फार्मसी आणि फार्मडी या अभ्यासक्रमासाठी उपयुक्त असणारं हे बुक एसेन्शियल ऑफ बायोफार्मास्युटिक्स अँड फार्माकोकायनेटिक्स डॉक्टर शिवराज नागोबा, डॉक्टर सिद्धेश्वर पाटील, डॉक्टर माधव शेटकार, डॉक्टर चंद्रवर्धन पांचाळ, डॉक्टर अजय फुकटे